Welcome back to our channel. We provide you detailed information on medicines and drugs to help you inform your health. In today's video, we can talk about Grenil Tablet, coverage, uses, benefits, side effects, how to use and how it works. Let's get started. Manufactured by Karnataka Antibiotics and Pharmaceuticals Ltd. Grenil Tablet. Uses. Grenil Tablet is used in the treatment of migraine. It helps manage migraine symptoms and prevent migraine-related discomfort. Benefits. Grenil Tablet is a combination of medicines that helps prevent migraine by changing the way nerves receive pain signals. It also blocks the action of chemicals in the body that can make you feel sick or cause vomiting. This helps treat and prevent nausea and vomiting effectively. By reducing the frequency of headaches, the medicine helps improve daily activities and overall quality of life. Side effects. Like all medicines, Grenil Tablet may cause side effects in some individuals. A commonly reported side effect is dryness in the mouth. If this side effect persists or worsens, medical advice should be sought. How to use. Take Grenil Tablet exactly in the dose and duration advised by your doctor. Swallow the tablet whole. Do not chew, crush, or break it. Grenil Tablet should be taken on an empty stomach. How it works. Grenil Tablet is a combination of two medicines, domperidone and paracetamol. Domperidone is a prokinetic medicine that works on the region of the brain that controls vomiting. It also increases the movement of the stomach and intestines, helping food move more easily through the stomach. This helps prevent nausea and vomiting caused by migraine. Paracetamol is an analgesic and antipyretic medicine. It works by blocking the release of certain chemical messengers that cause pain and fever associated with migraine.